श्रवणायापि बहुभिर्यो न लभ्यः शृण्वन्तोऽपि बहवोऽयं न विद्यो आश्चर्यो वक्ता कुशलोऽस्य लब्धाश्चर्यो ज्ञाता कुशलानुशिष्टः।
ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। कठोपनिषत् प्रथम अध्यायं द्वितीया वल्ली मंत्र 7। श्रवणायापि बहुभिर्यो न लभ्यः शृण्वन्तोऽपि बहवोऽयं न विद्युः आश्चर्यो वक्ता कुशलोऽस्य लब्धाश्चर्यो ज्ञाता कुशलानुशिष्टः। Just in verse. Rare is the speakers of Tattva on Atman by seers. Sparse is the one that lends his ears. Rare again is the one who comprehends, that lends ears. Sparse is the edification by the tutors. Rare again, the genuine imbibers. Sparse are the proven and enlightened attainers. Now let's go to the gist of the mantra. So now Yama says, inclination even to listen to Atma Vidya is a rare event in one's life. Even if one happens to hear, he may not understand or imbibe. Such is a subtle and a hardly graspable Atma Tattva, and so it is rare and a wonder to see a teacher who can expound on that subject, and it is equally rare and a wonder a student who can understand. Now we can go to the brief explanation of the mantra. Mantras 7, 8 and 9 speak well about the rarity of a match and synchrony of teacher and student relationship. Prithya Bhagavan is said to have been carried away by the proficiency of Nachiketas. So he continues his appreciation saying, Nachiketas was not enamored of worldly things. He mentions Tvam Vidya Abhipsinam, that is, you want only Atma Vidya. So Mrityu considers him as a deserving boy for Upadesha. Then he makes a remark on the rarity of a teacher who is proficient in teaching Atma Tattva, and also the rarity of a disciple who is qualified enough to imbibe it quickly. Now we should understand the deeper meaning behind such a statement of Mrityu. Why it is said as an Ascharyam? So Ascharyam has two meanings here. One is a rare thing and second is wonder. That's a common thing. But Sri Shankaracharya takes the word Durlabham as its meaning. Why we should understand the deep meaning behind the statement? Because it is said that out of 84 lakhs of species, human birth is the rare and a noble one. And it is the only creature, that is human being is the only creature who can mar or make the purpose of the birth, the liberation. So Tamil poet Adhyayam says, Aridu Aridu Manidarai Parattal Aridu. The Shaiva saint Manikavachakar lists the species as Pullagi, Pudagi, Puruvagi, and finally he says, Palapirappum Pirandu Elaithen. Even the Sargalokavasis have to be born again to get liberated. So Prithya Bhagavan says that such an opportunity to even think of Atmajnana is being privileged only to few among millions. So mantra begins thus. Shravanayapi bahubiryo na labhyah. Hardly one gets an idea even to get to hear Shravana. about what is Atman who is within. Upasana and dhyana undertaken for over many births makes Ishvara happy, and he gives the karma pala and endows one with a human birth. Avanarulale avantal is a golden word. Nothing on earth can move an inch without his blessings. So, one should be blessed with an opportunity even to listen to Atma Tattva. Next, Shrunvanto api Bhagavo hamna vidyuhu. Even after getting the opportunity to listen to Atma Vidya, many Bhagavo fail to understand as the Tattvam is very subtle. Not all are able to consolidate the opportunities given to them. Failure is due to karma prapti and gain is due to the Ishvara prapti. So, Viveka Chudamani, a treatise on Viveka, says the seeker should approach a right perceptor who is a Srotriyo Vichigyo Kamahato Yo Brahmavittama. And the seeker should approach such a Guru and prostrate before him. Now, as mentioned in the Viveka Chudamani, Srotriyo, who is a Srotriya? A Srotriya must be well versed with the Vedas, scriptures and Upanishads, must be continuously engaged in Agnihotra sacrifices. He must be able to teach in such a way that the student should be able to understand. And the most important is that he must be a Mumukshu, Brahmanishta, one who always dwells in the Chintana of the Absolute Supreme Source. Chandogya Upanishad also says, the one who possesses an Acharya, a competent teacher alone is privileged to know the Atma Vidya. Nowadays, to get a competent guru itself may or may not materialize. Even Adi Shankaracharya, upon taking up a decision to assume sannyasa, had to take a long journey from Kaladi to the banks of river Narmada to find a guru for himself. A disciple of olden days used to take the Gurukula Vasam and be under the care of the Guru and the Guru Patni and serve them well. And there must be an absolute understanding between Guru and Shishya. Guru too treats him like his child and grooms him as a student should be. The Gurus are said to be, according to Viveka Chudamani, verse 37, Shanta Mahanto Nivashanti Santo Vasantavallo Kahita Charanta. Peaceful, magnanimous, and be like spring season. The mantra further says, Ascharyo Vakta. Ascharyo here means it's a wonder, and Durlabha, to get a Vakta, a perceptor who can teach and describe the one which is non-describable by words. That's why it says Ascharyo. It is a Brahma, Atma Tattvam. You cannot be described in words. Ascharyo Jnata. Again, a person who can understand this rare Tattvam, the incomprehensible Atma Tattvam, is also again Durlabha. So Kushala in this context means the Samarthya, the grasping power of the Sishya is also Ascharya. So thus Mrityu Bhagavan speaks about the good teacher and the good student, and also how subtle and difficult is to understand Atma Tattva. He continues the topic in the following verses also. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.